Hello! So I bet you probably did not see this coming. We got a new one from the world-renowned Gadget Discovery Club. Now this is my second box. The first box was, well, yeah, it was kind of whack. So let's see what they do with box number 2. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen,
you know what time it is.
Boxy time. Now the reason why this box is completely black and it just has the branding up top is because you don't know what you're going to get. That's why you're going to discover it. So you can get these boxes monthly, you can get them quarterly. I got mine set up to come in quarterly. So let's go ahead and pop the top and reveal the mystery. So under the box it says,
experience the next level. Upgrade your entertainment and lifestyle by adopting epic tech gadgets.
All right, let's see. You know what? Right out of the box, I've actually been kind of looking at these. So we got ourselves a carbon fiber wallet. Okay. Premium aviation standard carbon fiber, light and stronger by design. Stainless steel money clip. Keep your cash secure. I don't really carry cash, but sure. Ultra slim and stylish. Say goodbye to bulky pockets and purses. Smarter card storage holds up to 10 bank, membership, and ID cards. Advanced RFID blocking shield technology, card skimming protection system. Now that is important, especially here in California where criminals can get out on bail for $0. My. All right, so here we have my current wallet. Yeah, I know, it's pretty cool. And then we have the carbon fiber wallet. As you can see, the carbon fiber wallet looks like it's a little bit thinner overall because, I mean, this has about 10 cards in it and this has just a couple. So yeah. Okay, finally a product that I'm probably gonna use.
All downhill from here. What?
So next up in our box of tricks, same brand, Rise, but this time it's a mini boom wireless speaker. Now, do I need another wireless speaker? No. Now, do you need another wireless speaker? Probably not. But let's see what this is all about.
Super powerful sounds.
Surprisingly small, pocket-sized, perfect for indoor and outdoors. This mini boom wireless speaker, level up your beats, remote camera control, bring out your inner photographer. Okay, so it's probably going to link up to your cell phone's camera app or something like that. So you can press a button on the speaker and it'll take the photo. Place on your desk, make work fun again. Okay, now that's a good selling point right there. Can pair up to 2 speakers. Immersive surround sound experience. Okay, yeah, packaging from this company, not the best. A good package is when you can just hold it right here and the bottom just slides right off. This one, you got to tug and pull. All right, so we have maybe about a 2-footer, USB-A to micro USB. All right, and here's going to be the speaker. You know, I'm really not expecting big things out of this little device, but we will find out. Got some branding right there.
Rise.
On the back is the power button and probably the pairing button along with the charging port. So let's go ahead and pair it up and see how she sounds. All right, here goes nothing. it's better than I expected. I would say on a scale from 1 to 10, it's passable at a 7 for the size and the output that it can do. Of course, maxing it out does get real tinny, and there's barely any low-end bass. This is definitely going to one of my kids. And last but not least, a wireless charger.
Serenity now!
This wireless charger is from Native HQ, universal compatibility. Yep, quick charge. Case friendly, safety protection. Yeah. What's included? You got the wireless charger, Type-C charging cable, and the user manual. See what I'm saying about these packages? Yeah, come on. It's just slide right out. My goodness. All right. So here's the wireless charging pad. I mean, I like this material that they have up top, but God, I don't need another wireless charger. I thought I was supposed to discover some pretty cool stuff, but this is all just kind of mediocre. All right, here's the USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. That's good they have USB Type-C on this. All right, so we got this far, so let's plug it in. Let's see if it works. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see if this does the job. Yay, it charges. Yay, it charges this way. Oh my goodness. So there we have it, Handsome Nation. A complete waste of money. You know, I thought maybe with the first box, I thought they were maybe holding back a little bit because it was on a discount, T-Mobile Tuesday, all that other good stuff. But this box was at full price, and I don't know who this caters to. The carbon fiber wallet is, okay, that's cool. The speaker, a lot of people already have speakers. And a wireless charger? Well, the only thing I discovered here is that this Gadget Discovery Club is a Gadget Discovery ripoff. But if you want to see another video that the YouTube gods guarantee that you're going to love, then go ahead and click or tap on the screen. And if you want to become a member, then go ahead and click that join button down below. But until next time, Handsome Nation, thank you and have a good one.